Hi everyone, this is Asif. In this video I am going to show you some business class, executive class dashboards. By the end of this video you will have an idea that how easily and quickly you can analyze your business activities. So let's start it. Here, user login and password. So first I am going to show you some sales related transactions. So here is the first sales related activities. In this grid it is showing the product groups, and this is overall sales by salespersons. On the top you will see the period by month and year, and by default it is showing the current year period selected. And this current year selected period, it is showing all the data here. So this is sales by year because it's only showing selected 1 year, so it is only one graph. So let's go and change from here, and that is how it is changing from 2017 and 2018 years. Two bar graphs are here. Go further. That's how it is showing now, 2016. And all other bar graphs are showing data based on this selected date range. If I right click here, we have all these other options available. So if we show last year, last 2 years, last 3 years, last 5 years, and so on. By default it is showing all the products, but if I select only one product, that's how it is showing all the products related information. In this graph, if I need to see only one salesperson transaction, so I go, if it shows this person, if I double click on it, it will show data only for the selected salesperson. Here, the sales only for this salesperson. Below in this bar graph, it is showing data top 5 locations for the selected salesperson and the top 5 customers for the selected salesperson. If need to see overall top 5 locations and top 5 customers, we just go and remove the filter. So it's now overall values. This was by selecting salesperson, but similar we can select the year 2017. If I select 2017, so it will show me data only for 2017's related information. Okay, so that's the first chart. Now the second one, in the grid form, here it is showing the same data in grid form, but here the flexibility here, we can modify this information. This is by salespersons 2017, 16, 17 and 2018, and showing the sales quantity. If we like to see the sales value instead of sales quantity, I just drop it here and bring it here, the sales value. Now it is showing data for sales value. Instead of salesperson, if I like to see the transaction by part, so I remove this salesperson from here and bring my part value to the row value. So now it is showing values for each year for this product. If we like to see the product group, bring the product group here. Now the product group, and this is grouping now. This is for product group and this is for part group. This is for year. If like to see the value for each year, for each month, so I go and drag and drop it here. So now it is showing 2016 this month, and this 2017 month wise. We have a choice here to filter data as well. If I need to select only 2018, so I remove everything and select only 2018. And now it is showing for 2 months transactions here. For removing, now there is the bar graph. If I select 1 or 2 transactions, so bar graph will be generated for the selected transactions, selected values or selected rows or selected columns combinations and here. If we need to change the bar graph from bar chart to line, so we select here and we change the bar graph here. So the bar graph will show here automatically. Okay. Now let's see another procurement related transactions, another styles. Here I am showing what is ordered and what is received, and just showing the what is percentage is received, what is over received. Here we have values like purchases. It is showing the purchase order transactions. Let's remove this column first, and we see here purchase order header information. What is under this purchase order? If I click here, so it will show me the purchase order detail. Purchase order detail means line wise what are all the items were ordered, what are the quantities, and in second tab it is showing what are the containers related to this purchase orders, through what containers we are receiving the material. If required, this can go further next level, drill down, and here as well. We can search here directly purchase order number, for example 1172. So immediately it will filter the record for any supplier. Okay. And we can change the condition also here by selecting this one. It is equals to, not equals to, contains, and different filter conditions are available here. And this is available for each of the drill down grade level. See here. Okay. Suppose I don't require this column. I have removed these 2 columns, but I have a choice. So I can bring those columns back here. Choose column chooser. So it will show those 2 columns I removed. Now these 2 columns are here, so I can bring it back here. So come to the next one. Purchase price history. Like currently it is showing the purchase price variances bar here for each of the part class. It is showing here variation of the purchase price of this part class, which does not make really a sense. But suppose if I click on flavors, double click, so it will show me all the raw materials for the under part class flavors. Now it is our flavor, how the prices are variance. Price variances or fluctuations are here. Correct. And here is the purchase order detail or purchase order transactions. Or actually it's the received transactions based on what rate we receive this item. So green means it's by average price, but yellow or The red one will show you the high price values. Here we see. Here again we can select date range for one particular month. This and that. Through my applications we can analyze our data. If we are selling our goods to different countries, or we are importing goods from different countries, so through map we can analyze our data, or we can access our data. Like if I click on South Africa region or country, so it will show me the transaction for South Africa only, and what are all the items I am importing from there. We can navigate anywhere. This is Germany, so these are the Germany transaction, and what are the items I am getting from there. Okay, these are my suppliers from Germany. Okay, from this supplier what I am getting, if I click here, I am getting from this supplier, I am getting only sugar. From here, water, for example. To remove this filter, put it here back. From China. Okay. It is very similar to our first sales related transaction. The chart is here, but different types of transactions are here. One thing here, we can click here and export to print preview, so your print reports are ready. That is how you can directly print your draft reports, and you can save it. You can export to PDF file and to any image, and to export to Excel file. Customers outstanding. Here it's a chart, and this is aging, outstanding aging. This is 15 days, 30 days, 45 days, and so on. And this is from salesperson wise outstanding. So if I click on one salesperson's name, it will show all these customers list. And for further drill down, it will show me all the invoice numbers here. So this invoice coming under 15 days, this invoice going under 30 days, and so on. Accounts balances for comparison purpose. This is showing overall transaction assets value as of today. And this chart is showing the trend and variation from 2015 to 2018 here. Suppose if I remove everything from here, nothing is here. 2018 only, 2018, 2017. So now I can compare my transaction from 2017 to 2018. If not, from 2016 to 2018. Okay, so this is overall assets value, but what is the breakup of assets value? If I click here, it will show me assets and current assets. If I go in the current assets value, it will show me current assets, cash transactions, bank transactions, account receivables totals, clearing accounts, and all this. So it has drill down information in this format. This we have seen earlier. Another format of comparing your financial transaction values. This is just another format. in this last column it is showing what is increase and what is decrease as compared to current and previous years. So that's it for this kind of transaction. So let me know if there is any requirement to develop such kind of dashboards. So please contact me. And thank you very much for watching this video.